If you knew you had one last chance to do something you loved, what would that be? For me, it would be doing something silly. Spoiler alert, I survived. Thought I'd put this warning at the beginning of the video, even though I'm filming it at the end. Don't try this at home, kids. Because, well, one, you can't really climb a mountain at home. And two, Crib Goch is a dangerous route. Please only do it if you feel comfortable and confident in your skills and your ability. Anyway, back to the video. Okay, I'm having surgery in 2 days. I think that gives me one last chance for one last adventure. And I thought I'd come back to Crib Goch just because I love it so much. So I'm going to spend the next 3-4 hours being absolutely bricking it. But that's why I'm here. There's nothing wrong with being scared.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within. This heavy load got under your skin. All in, you got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for a collision and deny. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around.
As you saw, just past the sign for Crib Goch. That's there. The path sort of fizzles out in about 200-300 metres, and then it's just a really fun scramble. Yeah, I powered up here to this bit so that I could stop, have some jelly BBs, recover the legs a little bit so that I can focus a lot when I'm up there. It's not mine. Time to tackle Crib Goch. And all the way up, it looks like I'm basically going to be climbing towards the moon, which is awesome. Route for experienced and very fit mountaineers with good technical skills. I've probably half ticked one of those things. Yeah, it's the third time doing it, so. This is the way I'm going. Lovely. I had planned to do Crib Goch and then go down Llanberis, but turns out I'm an idiot and I left my gimbal down there somewhere. I think I know where I left it, so I'm going to come back down the pig track and try and find it then. So yeah, I'm sorry if the footage from now on is a bit shaky. It's because I'm an idiot. Scary bit started. So, very quickly, for those of you who don't know what scrambling is a lot like either dirty hiking or easy rock climbing. You definitely need your hands to climb it basically. There's 3 different grades. Grade 1, easiest, grade 3 is the hardest. Grade 3, unless your name's Alex Arnold, you're probably not going to want to do without ropes. there's the first bit of the really scary bits out of the way. I think the locals call it Shrek's face, you know. I've said steep before, but I mean, look at my hat. The temperature is in like 7 degrees. I'm absolutely sweating buckets. It's bright, it's sunny, but at least I remember the hat. Last 100, 200 meters upwards to go. And then we're on the Knife's Ridge. God, I need some water. Lovely stuff. Keep going. It's not really horribly windy, but it's gusty enough to make you second guess yourself. Yeah, couldn't go around, so straight line in. That's amazing. Crossing that Knife Ridge behind me. There's only one thing you think about when you're there, and that's where your next foot's going to go, where your next hand's going to go. It's so nice. And even when you stop and you're somewhere pretty safe, you've got the world's best distraction. It's absolutely beautiful. Not the first time I've done it. Definitely won't be the last. It's a bit windy out there, so head down a little bit. Stop for a little snack. Made it. So yeah, now I've got time to stop and think. I hate it. So yeah, I got my operation on my knee in 2 days, so just getting the most out of my knee as possible. I mean, I could have done anything really to get the most out of it, but I wanted to do something I knew scared me. And Crib Goch scares me. I don't know, in my head I just had it, if I scare myself enough and overcome something like Crib Goch, then having surgery and all the pain and rehab after it won't be as scary. What does make a difference is this view. Last time I did this route was 2 years ago. It was one of the first YouTube videos I actually posted. Remember, I got to this exact spot and just sort of broke down. In my defence, my granddad had died like 3 days before then. Not that it needs defending. It's just absolutely beautiful. Lakes, mountains, the sea. Alright, I'm gonna have some food. Do you want to see what I got? Meal fit for a king. Cheer charge flapjack bar, a Cliff bar, jelly babies and a mint cake. Yeah, I wanted to go really lightweight, so no jet boil, no hot food, no hot drinks, nothing fancy. Just snacks. It is a school night. It's a Tuesday today. The only reason I'm up here is because my boss is a legend and let me have the day off, so that I could come and batter my knee in before getting it fixed. That is outstanding. Heading down is so much quicker than heading up, but my lord is it taking a hammer into my knees. I wish I had my stick. Oh, that's pretty. So, as I was saying before, last time I was here 2.5 years ago, I had a bit of breakdown at the top. And who doesn't like a good cry? That was around about the time I started adventuring properly. I started adventuring because back in 2019, well, let's just say it was a rough year. And then 2020 hit, and we all know what happened in 2020. I'm not going to bring that up again. So I started adventuring to really help with my mental health. The YouTube thing came about as an accident, really. I started like doing a bit of photography and a bit of filming whilst out. I really liked it, but I couldn't save my videos anywhere because I kept running out of storage, so YouTube was the place to go. I had no idea how much it would actually help with my mental health. It's down to you guys. I have had some absolutely wonderful comments. Wonderful. And I tell you what, anytime I'm having a bit of a bad day, going through a bit of a rough patch, actually look through those comments. You guys are the best. The best. Love it. Love you all. So yeah, I know you guys have helped me massively. So yeah, thank you. Right. Oh, it's so wet with sweat. Just a case of deja vu, this. I've seen that Crib Goch sign before. I know I lost my gimbal. Something like that. Found it. Oh wow. Just look at it. Views everywhere, views. by mountains. You know what? Last mountains of the year. Last mountains for a long time. Pick the right route. Really good adventure, great fun. Remember the warning, don't do it unless you are confident with it. This is just advice though, you don't have to listen to me. I stopped and had a chat with a bloke who saw 10 people getting rescued off of Crib Goch. He remembers talking to him before they got onto Crib Goch. Basically he said, wow, you guys are brave going along Crib Goch the other way. And they were like, why are we brave? Well, it's just a little bit difficult and challenging. We've seen the YouTube videos. Now, this is a YouTube video. This is not a tutorial. This is not a, please go and do this. If you want to, I can't stop you, but build your way up to it, please. It'll help me sleep better at night knowing you lot are safe. Oh, breaks my heart. I'm gonna put this down and enjoy the journey home. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please whack a comment down below. Also, more than happy to answer any questions or queries you guys have. And the comments is the best way to do it. Crib Goch, the knife edge, done. Subscribe, comment, like, and I think that's pretty much everything I can get you guys to try and do. Until the next one. Whenever that is. Stay safe.
Moments pass, make this one count. Untied, you're so good at dragging